Today, I'm sharing my project called AI-Assisted Study Scheduling Tool, short as AASST. It turns a normal list into a real-time block schedule that can adjust when life gets messy. Many students use to-do lists, but they don't tell you when to do tasks or adjust when plans change. Plans are also easy to break. For example, a 30-minute study session turned into 50, and your whole schedule falls apart. Big goals like contests or admission don't become daily steps unless you plan everything yourself. And most apps only show done or not done, not whether your plan was realistic or how you actually spend your time. My solutions to these problems are: first, it's flexible. If something runs long, the schedule replans instead of falling apart. Second, it turns big goals into small, doable steps. Also, it gives weekly and monthly feedbacks to show what worked, where your time went, and how to improve next week. Most apps are just reminders and checklists, so when your day changes, you have to fix everything yourself. My system does three things. It builds a schedule that you can actually follow, it learns from real signals like delay and interruptions, and it gets better over time by understanding your habits. The goal is a schedule that doesn't just look good, it stays workable. Here's how the brain works. You can just chat about what you need to do, like math homework, piano, and study for a test. The AI then pulls out the task, deadlines, limit like sleep, and your preferences. It turns messy words into clean information that the students can use. This shows how tasks turn into a real plan. AASST breaks big tasks into smaller steps and links them when one depends on another. Then it fits everything into these time blocks using deadlines, time estimates, available hours, breaks, and priorities. This is the full system loop. You enter your tasks and limits, and the AI estimates time and builds a schedule. If it's not right, you can drag, lock, or reprioritize. When you work, it tracks interruptions and overtime, then uses that data to improve the next plan. Here I'm showing the basic app screens. The main idea is speed. Adding tasks should be fast, and sorting should be simple, and focusing should be easy. The Pomodoro timer helps students stop multitasking and just do one thing at a time. This is the time block schedule view. Instead of guessing when to do things, you can see your day as blocks. Also, if the AI wants to change your schedule, you can preview things first. That's important because students should feel in control, not bossed around. This slide shows how the apps help students reflect. It tracks planned time versus actual time, so you can learn things like I always underestimate reading or I focus best in the morning. It also lets you choose your style, more breaks, balanced, or more intense. And it protects healthy habits with rules like sleep protection and buffer time, so the schedule doesn't become stressful. This is the assistant feature. Instead of clicking through a bunch of menus, you can just chat about it. And the AI will change it for you. Then it shows suggestions and you choose what to apply. The quick add feature lets you add anything you think of quickly. It's feasible because the main parts already exist: chat AI, structured planning, and scheduling algorithms. It's made for busy students, aiming for fewer missed deadlines, more consistent work, and better time awareness. Success can be measured with completion rate, on-time rate, focus minutes, and how close plan time is to actual time. AASST should only collect data it really needs, and users should be able to delete or export it. It should also avoid pressuring students by protecting sleep and letting them control reminders. Personalization should help without hurting privacy, and important dates should be required confirmations so the system doesn't make serious mistakes. This project builds a chat-based AI that turns timetables and goals into a flexible, executable study schedule that auto-adjusts when plans change. In the future, it can become smarter by learning each student's pace, recommending task splitting and buffers, integrating with school platforms, and expanding beyond scheduling into long-term skill building and personalization learning support. Thank you for watching.